put a little food up there, and Liberty figured out how to get up. Here's Love trying to go up the slide. She went up the back hole and got up and got all the little bit of food I put up there. They're trying. Go for it, Unity. So hard. There's Freedom figuring it out. Did you get all the little treats? I just put a little dog food up here. And they wanted it. And Libby got it, and down she goes. She walked down the slide. That's funny. Good job, Libby. Hey, Freedom. Freedom and Libby are my curly ones. Unity and Love are my straight ones. Good job making it up, Libby. You could be on American Ninja. Hi, Freedom. Aren't you a handsome boy? You need a new family, huh? Who's gonna pick you? Hi, Libby. Oh, so close. So close. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Oh, Love, you're so close. They're so close. Yes, you are. Show them how, Lib. Come on, Unity, you can make it. Here, Libby. Here, puppy. Here, puppy. Show them how to do it, Libby. Come on, you made it once. Come on. It's hard to do when somebody's chewing on you, huh? You can only do it when you're by yourself. It's the American Ninja Puppies Challenge.